It's an awesome program that we started here at Churchill. So there's 4 classes that they can take. So they start with a STEM class, which is a basic introduction to problem solving and building different projects, and it's really a lot of fun. They go through the whole engineering design process, and they imagine what they're going to do. They come up with prototypes, they try to build it, and then really the biggest part is the redesign process. They get into exploring tech, and there we start ramping it up a little bit, and they get to start using other things. Like today we're flying drones, and they're learning how to go through drone obstacle courses. So in the next level course, engineering tech, that they can take those skills and actually film the drones, and then use some of the computer programs like Adobe Pro, and create their own little movies using After Effects to put extra stuff in. So we're trying to get them a lot of the technology side. We have a full wood shop, so that we build a lot of projects too, so they have to envision what they want to do. There's a gaming unit we do in engineering tech where they design their own game, they have to do all their own measurements, so it's not just a building project, but they have to fully figure out all the math involved. They have to build it, make sure it's going to work, look at all the joints. So the kids really love some of the games they've made, and I've been blown away at some of the stuff they've done. We have a construction technology class where we go through all the different skills you need to build a home. So they learn how to start everything from laying concrete to framing to running the electricity, so they wire outlets and switches. They learn how to do basic plumbing, drywall, roofing. They end up building a doghouse that they can donate to a local animal shelter. In engineering tech, which is our capstone class, is the one where we really do a lot of different wiring projects, trying to put everything together that they do. So they use their engineering design process, they use their woodshop skills, they use all their wiring skills, and I love a lot of the projects that they end up making. So many fun things here, and really it's helping their science and engineering, because every project we do, we first give them all the science, make sure they understand occupations they can do with it, and that's it. That's Churchill's engineering program. I think it's a fun pathway for kids.
Flying drones is really fun. Last year in the STEM class, we got to build a catapult, which was also really fun.
I like it because I have to try out new things, figure out the best way to do something.
Kind of everything about it. Like, I really like the coding in both the classes, and just all the stuff that he teaches us with math and stuff like that. It just helps a lot with all the other classes that I take. So
I like learning how things work. It's something that really fascinates me, just like finding all the little components and seeing how each little thing affects the whole product.
If you want to take a series of really fun classes that challenge you and increase your regular classes like science and math, this is for you. You'll have fun building, creating, using your imagination, using your hands, and getting to do so many great fun things. So come on down to Churchill.
Hi, my name's Trent Hendricks, and I'm the principal of Churchill Junior High. I wanted to take a quick moment to explain our Career Pathways in Engineering program. This first year that we've done it, we are setting our students up to have a foundation of engineering basics. As we continue forward, our goal is to ensure that all of our classrooms are using the basics of engineering. And the reason why is those principles that engineers utilize are fundamental to 21st century learners. So those skill sets of how to deconstruct and reconstruct information are really powerful ways to look at the new learner and how a student in this day and age can use those foundational skills in every setting to become the best them they can be. Those critical thinking skills, especially in today's world, are so fundamental to success. And I'm proud to say that we've got a system where students not only can push themselves into the engineering pathway, but they can also get access to engineering principles in every classroom and utilize project-based learning, which is similar to like what Google and these places have that are 21st century learners.
The Churchill Pre-Engineering Pathway is a new concept for Granite School District. Working in math and science along with engineering classes will help the students not only learn the theory of math and science, but they will also learn to apply it, which we know is really what you need to do to really understand math and science. It will also give the students a leg up in entering in engineering programs at the Granite Technical Institute. Students will be able to move into Engineering Principles 1, Engineering Principles 2, but they'll also have had a chance to really look at what areas of hands-on they would like to take classes in to help them be more connected with an engineering pathway. Engineering is a growing field. Everything we do is made, and because it is made, it has to have an engineer to design or help companies run their equipment and keep production going. So engineering is a field that you can not only make a lot of money, but also have a great career in.